Here we have a model for the histology of the liver. We have a lobule. The whole section is going to be a liver lobule. And then we have this central vein right here. And flowing to the interlobular veins, we have the sinusoids. Then we have again the lobule, and then the central vein and sinusoids. Every single cell in the liver, these kind of cells are called hepatocytes. Hepatocytes are the cells for the liver. This view is a photomicrograph of the non-human liver lobules. Then we have here the lobule again. And in the middle we have the central vein, and each cell is called hepatocyte. And the veins, or the venules, the small blood vessels with venular blood, is called sinusoid. And these are called triad, hepatic triad.